Hi, it's Jennifer Harvey again. I'm going to show you how to use RefWorks today. And what I did was I'm already in EBSCOhost, and I've done a search for differentiated instruction in higher education in the 4 databases that we talked about before: Education Research Complete, Education Full Text, ERIC, and Professional Development Collection. I searched for some phrases using a wildcard. I have differentiate with the wildcard to allow for the finding of differentiation, differentiate instruction with the words proximate to each other and in that order, and higher education also as a phrase. And I've found some articles, and now I want to save the citations using RefWorks. So I'm just going to click on this title and click on Cite. And here at the bottom it says Export to Bibliographic Management Software. That includes RefWorks. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to say that I want the export to happen to RefWorks. Click on Save. And I'll look at the last imported folder. And here's information about the article. I have a folder called Differentiated Instruction in Higher Education that I want to move that article to. And it has done that for me. So now I go to Differentiated Instruction folder, and the item is still selected. I say Create Bibliography. I want it to be an APA 6th edition. I am fine with HTML as the file type, although I might want to export it to Word or another format, a style that is useful for me. For example, I could want it to be rich text, but HTML is fine for me. I can copy and paste from it just fine. So I get the full citation. Let's just look back at the article and the citation again. Notice that it has the same problem. Practice what we preach is capitalized, and instruction assessment in higher education classroom, and the rest of the title I beg your pardon, is capitalized, which would not be correct in the APA style. But if we look here at what RefWorks has generated for us, it's corrected the problem. So that's one reason why you might want to use RefWorks. Another is that you can change the style that you want it to be in. Like MLA is significantly different than APA, and I can change my citation just by changing the output type, Create Bibliography. And now notice that the title is in quotes. Instead of the number being in parentheses, it's separated by a period. The year doesn't appear after the author's names, but appears toward the end of the citation. So RefWorks is a great tool, and you might want to use it for your annotated bibliography.